Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. So this is going to be a shiny video for you. But we are definitely into fall, going into winter here in South Carolina. So one thing about hypothermia. Hypothermia can happen any time of the year. This is kind of when we really start thinking about it. So a survival blanket is something you need in your first aid kit. And also your vehicle probably. But definitely in your vehicle, your IFAC, your trauma kit. When we're thinking about trauma, we think about hypothermia being the last thing that we fix. But we know that it's easier to prevent hypothermia than it is to fix it. So having one of these, after you control major bleeding, we're taking care of airway and respiratory, we want to make sure our patient stays warm. So this is the Dynarex one here. It's code Blue Care, and that's their rebranding. But this is the Dynarex blanket, 84 inches by 52 inches. So you can kind of see, starts in that packaging and then opens up to make sure we can cover our patient completely. And you want to make sure we protect them from the ground and all that good stuff like that. But for a few dollars, this works really, really well. So something you should think about adding to your first aid kit, trauma kit, your vehicle. We also have the blizzard blankets as well, which is going to be a 2-layer system. So a little more room, spacious too as well. But 2-layer system, this is a single layer blanket here. So you do have to kind of be careful for it tearing, but obviously I just opened this one up and there's no tears and all that. Just kind of be gentle with it when you open it up and it'll be just fine for you. I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate all the support at medicalgearoutfitters.com.